How to turn on backup on your Google Photos. So if you want to turn on your backup on Google Photos, then first open up your Google Photos application. And once you open up your application, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has your profile icon. And here you will have backup option. Tap on backup, and here I have already turned on my backup. But if you have turned that off, then you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, go for backup settings. And here, if you turn off your backup, if you have like this kind of interface, then you can turn that on by toggling that. And you can choose your account in which you would like to have the backup. And that's it. That's how you turn on your backup on Google Photos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.